In a previous video to this, I showed you how to define a prism and when not to define a prism. In a previous video, I showed you how to identify a 3D shape that is a prism and when it's not a prism. So if you've not seen that video, please have a look at that video. Right, to work out the volume of these prisms, what you need to know is the cross-section area multiplied by the length. You've got that right here, the cross-sectional area multiplied by the length. Let's do this one then. This is a triangle. Area of a triangle is base times vertical height. 5 times 4 is 20. And then you need to half it. It's the triangle. 20 divided by 2 is 10. 10 centimeters squared for the front face. Multiply that 10 centimeters squared by this length over here. That will give you 10 times 10, 100 centimeter cubed. We're working out a volume. Let's do this one here. Cross-sectional area. This is just a basic rectangle. 4 times 3. That's the area of a rectangle, which is 12. Then multiply that 12 centimeters squared by the length. That will be 72 centimeter cubed. This one's a circle. Work at the area of this. It's a circle, so it needs to be pi r squared. You can use 3.14 as pi multiplied by the radius, 3 squared. If you've got a calculator, you can use a calculator. You can use the pi button. It's right there. Press the shift. Just about, you might be able to see that right there. There's a pi button. So you need to press the shift button. There's pi. That'll be more accurate than 3.14. Multiplied by the radius, 3 squared. Press the ST button. That's the area of the front face. Multiply that by the length. Right, I've not deleted it, it's already there, so I'm just going to press times 5, the length. Around to 3 decimal places. This one's very straightforward. It is a prism, so you can use the the formula. Front face area multiplied by the length. Volumes of prisms. What you don't want to do with this topic is, when they ask for volumes of prisms, what you don't want to do is start working at the surface area. That is a different topic. Surface area is working at the area of, like for example, this one, there are 5 faces to this one, so you'd have to work at the area of each and every face. This one's got 6 faces, so you'd have to work at the area of all 6 faces and add it together, and so on. So do not confuse volume of prisms with surface area. But just be wary that prisms don't have to be lying flat like this. They could be tilted, like this one here. It's been tilted up. So is that one, and there, the cylinder, right there. So where's the cross-section area now? That's the cross-section area, and then you multiply by the length. Cross-section area, multiply by the length. Cross-section area, multiply by the length. With this one here, the cuboid, the cross-section could be this way. That means you'd have to multiply by that length. But it could be this one. That could be the cross-section area because it's a rectangle all the way through going in that way. Then you'd have to multiply by that. Alternatively, the cross-section could be that one, which means then you'd have to multiply with that length over here.